Welcome to the Loraas Landfill, just north of Saskatoon on Lutheran Road. Today we're going to show you how to weigh in at our scale house and use our transfer station for all your excess waste and recycling needs. We accept a wide variety of materials at our landfill. With summer, winter, and statutory hours, you can always call ahead to make sure we're available to accept your materials. Once you arrive, please drive over the scale to check in with our attendant. Then, please proceed ahead and to the left to the transfer station. Here you will find a safe and clean area with clearly marked bins and piles for your materials like general waste, recycling, and electronics recycling. After unloading, please drive back across the scale to weigh out and pay if needed before leaving the premises. Thank you for choosing the Loraas Landfill.